When I multiply them together, I'm going to set my A inverse off to the left and my B inverse, or my B, up above. I then look at row and column for the first element. So I get 21/13 plus 5/13. And then for the second element, I look at the second row and first column. So I get 9/13 plus 4/13. This entire matrix then reduces down to 26/13 and 13/13, which is the same as 2, 1, and those are my values for x and y. So x is 2, y is 1, which is the ordered pair 2, 1. Okay, let's look at another example. You have two more here. Both are systems of two equations. Try these on your own first, and then resume the video when you're ready to check your solution. In part B, I want to set up my equation. And yes, there is supposed to be an x on the 14. That was my fault. Get 14, 1, negative 5, 9 times xy equals 7, 2. I can then solve for the determinant of A, giving me 9 times 14, which is going to be 90 plus 36, which is 126, minus 1 times negative 5, to get 131. I want to take this 131, take its reciprocal, and then multiply by 9, 14 switch spots, and the 1 and 5 switch their signs. So I end up with 9 over 131, 5 over 131, negative 1 over 131, and 14 over 131. For my third and final step, to actually solve for x and y, I take A inverse times my solution matrix. So 9 over 131, negative 1 over 131, 5 over 131, and 14 over 131, and multiply it by 7, 2. When I work out this multiplication, helps if my handwriting's a little bit more legible. There we go. I get 7 times 9, which gives me 63 over 131, plus 10 over 131, and then negative 7 over 131, plus 28 over 131. This equals 73 over 131, and then 21 over 131. I know, ugly numbers, but let's see if they reduce to anything a little bit nicer. And I really don't think they will. And those actually are our solutions, and we could always double check that using Cramer's rule if we wanted to. So we know that our original matrix, or the augmented matrix, is as you see below. So if we found D, we'd find 131, dx would be 73, and dy would be 21, which gives us the same solutions of 73 131s and 21 131s. So our final answer is in fact 73 over 131, comma, 21 131. There we go. Alright, I will do one more example for those of you who are interested. If not, I'm only going to check up through example B for your notes tomorrow. So don't worry about this next video if you think you've got it down. Only do this next example if you need the extra practice.